Hey love, thanks for the comment, and I would absolutely love to help you on this journey. So what you would need to do is go to my profile, click the link in my bio, enter your email, video will pop up, and that video is going to explain all the details that you would need. And right below the video, there is a link. Click on that link, it's going to lead you to my website. Now take a look at all the different products I have to offer. When you're on my website, scroll all the way to the bottom, I offer 4 different programs. Take a look at them, see what best fits your financial goals and your hopes and your dreams. And also, there are payment plans that are available if that is something that you would like to do, because that's what I started on a payment plan, and that's what majority of my customers sign up with. And once you decide which program aligns with your needs, you can directly sign up for the program through my website. And don't you worry, I'll also be sending you an email to be sure that you receive all the information you need. And please, 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 if you have any questions, reach out to me. I would love to connect and chat with you to help you get started. And love, I am so excited to help you achieve your goals this year in 2024.